Hey, what's up? Jigsaw here. Do you run a Facebook page for your business or content and want to set up automations that respond to common inquiries? In this video, I have been using the best AI chatbot that I know of, which is very easy to use for creating auto responses on Facebook pages, and I would like to share it with you too. Let's go. If you're looking for the best tool to engage with your customers, qualify leads, and boost sales more effectively with automated conversations, I found the perfect solution. I have personally tested it, and it's incredibly effective. This program lets you automate responses to your Facebook pages, saving you the hassle of manually replying to every comment or DM from followers. Facebook may be your primary focus for now, but this tool can also connect to other social media apps, including TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Telegram. Are you ready to try it? You can click my link below to unlock an exclusive offer to connect with 1,000 contacts for free. The first step is connecting your Facebook account with the online tool. Remember, you can connect a Facebook business page, but personal profiles or groups aren't supported yet. Make sure you have the correct account type before continuing. If you have already signed up before but skipped connecting your Facebook account, feel free to jump ahead to the timestamp where I explain how to connect it. Otherwise, here's what you need to do. From the home page, click Get Started in the upper right corner and choose Facebook Messenger from the list of channels. Sign up easily using your Google or Facebook account by following the prompts. After signing up, sign in with your account. Select the Facebook page and set up the necessary permissions required by the tool. Do you already have an account but haven't connected your Instagram yet? Head over to the My Profile configuration page. Click Manage Accounts. Hit Add New Account and select Facebook Messenger to start the connection process. Make sure to grant the necessary permissions when prompted to avoid any issues later on. This tool comes with ready-to-use templates, so you don't have to manually set up each automated response from scratch. To begin, go to the Automation tab from the left sidebar menu. Click New Automation and browse the list of available templates. These options include automating conversations with AI, automatically answering FAQs, and capturing customer data. Each template has a default sequence, so you simply need to edit its elements to match your specific needs. The Auto DM template already provides the basic automated sequence you'll need. But if you want to personalize yours from scratch, just click Start from Scratch. From the top menu, rename the untitled automation for proper labeling. Next, select the trigger for your automation, such as when a user clicks a Facebook ad, comments on your post, or sends you a message. In my example, I want to send automated responses to my followers when they comment on my posts, triggered by predefined keywords. If you want to do the same, choose User Comments on your post. But feel free to select other triggers if you want to try them out. The steps are similar, so it should be easy to follow along. Click Select Publication to pick the specific Facebook post for your automation. On the following logical condition, select Comment contains specific words and enter the specific keywords or phrases that will trigger the automated responses. You can add as many keywords as you like. Then determine what happens when the automation is triggered. It's a good idea to draft an opening DM as your intro to boost more customer engagement. Also, don't forget to click the Send Hyperlink configuration above and choose as Comment Reply. Add a button label to set up user interaction. For instance, once a user clicks, "Yes, I'm hungry," I'll send them a menu to choose from. When everything is set up, click Set Live in the upper right corner to launch the automation on your selected post. Let's test it out by commenting "Sweet" on the selected post on my Facebook page. As you can see, I received the opening DM automatically. Now, see how the automated sequence works perfectly, just as I configured it. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.